Today we're going to talk about Sergeant First Class Thomas Sierra, United States Army. Back on February 23, 1973, Thomas left his hometown of Carolina, Puerto Rico to go to Fort Polk, Louisiana to attend basic training for the Army. Once he completed basic, he received training in MOS 11 Bravo, infantryman. From there, Sergeant First Class Sierra went to the Korean DMZ in 74 and 75. After that, he moved on to places like Fort Hamilton in Brooklyn, New York, Fort Hood, Texas, Coleman Barracks, Mannheim, Germany, Schofield Barracks, Hawaii, Baumholder, Germany, and Fort Jackson, South Carolina. And during his time in the Army, Sergeant First Class Sierra was awarded the following ribbons: Army Commendation, Army Achievement, Army Good Conduct, National Defense Service, Korean Defense Service, the NCO Professional Development, Army Service, and Army Overseas Service. Thomas Sierra, you're also blessed to have a very loving family, so much so that your daughter Sarah and the rest of the family chose to get you this gift. We appreciate your dedicated service to our country. Thank you.